I found this gem in the middle of the forest right by the lake. I've never seen a place like this before, and I cannot wait to show you around. Welcome to Noon Lodge at Mallard Bay in Big Bear Lake, California. This contemporary and very chic property is situated close to the south shores of Big Bear Lake, California. As you walk in from the street, you are welcomed to the main courtyard. You'll notice multiple places to sit and hang out, including a nice big fireplace. As you walk around, you'll notice the exterior to all the buildings are dark colored with a bright orange front door on all of the units. This gives the property really picturesque and modern vibes while maintaining its mountain cabin feel. As you walk into the units, it immediately feels like your second home with the accented walls and various decor. There are almost no blank walls within the units, and the interior designers even paid attention to the nightstand lamps in the walls. It does take some pre-planning to accomplish this look, and they spared no effort. The interior design is phenomenal. The property consists of various 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and studio rental units. Moving towards the back, you'll see an area with multiple picnic tables and fire pits. This section is the perfect area for outdoor socializing with large groups. Some have even had their wedding reception here. There are speakers throughout the property that play cafe-like music to create a soothing environment. If you think this place looks great during the day, it actually really shines at night. My friends and I had a gathering with plenty of food and laughter. The fireplaces get lit every night to create a soothing camp-like atmosphere. The units are available to rent at very reasonable prices, and you get a lot for what you pay for. Links are down below if you wanted to book a stay. Have you been here? Are you planning to visit? How did you like it? Do you know of any other place like this? Please let us know in the comments below. If you want more videos like these, let us know and stay tuned by subscribing. And as always, stay adventurous.